Okay, so I'll just show you how to pair a mobile with a Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Range Rover Evoque. So first of all, we go to settings, select Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on, we're watching out at the bottom. So over to phone, tap to connect phone. Use your device to search for Range Rover Evoque. It's already come up here, Range Rover Evoque. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Verify these numbers match the display on Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow Barrie's iPhone Pro, paired device. Range Rover Evoque, they're connected. That one's not, that's one I did the other day. Lots of Range Rover. So that's it, that's how you pair. Now, in order to stream audio, right now what I need to do, I need to find a record, so we'll click on a record. Sweet But Psycho, great record. Range Rover Evoque at the bottom there. If I click that, you'll see there, that's your AirPlay. You can either play it on the iPhone or the Range Rover. It's on Range Rover, there's a tick next to it. We go back here. If I click play now, what I need to do is go to, I need audio, which is the clapperboard and the note, and then that's playing a radio or something. I need to go to source, and you see there, Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro. It was playing the radio before. Barrie's iPhone 15 Pro, and then if I turn that up, that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Range Rover Evoque. First thing we do is go to phone, onto phone. You'll see there, Barrie's iPhone Pro, 15 Pro, and pair new device. That's the phone I want to delete. If I click pair new device, it brings up this information and cancel. I need to cancel. It now brings up a new screen. Pair phone or audio device, pair new device, paired devices, forget all devices. So if I click there, I can wipe everything off the memory. If I click paired devices, it shows you my phone there. I don't want to connect it. If I click on that, again, it brings up another screen. Auto connect, you can make it your primary phone. You can have it for audio, or you can knock audio off or knock phone off, but forget device. That's it gone. Hard work, I know, but that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to use the sat-nav in this 2018 Range Rover Evoque. Any screen, if we go to home here, the picture of the house, click home, then you've got navigation, Blackburn Road, that's where we are at the moment, but anyway, there you can enter an address and save it as home or work or whatever, so you can just go to it in future. You've got search here, click on search. To get best search results, make sure your downloading maps are up to date. I don't want to know that anyway. That's got the search bar there, and then there's this over here in the corner, like a little notes bar. So if I click that, search for an address, place or keyboard. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P, where's our PR5 4E A, enter, searching offline, PR5 4EA, that's what we are. Click on that, click on start,
after 250 yards,
and away we go.
left and then make a U-turn.
As I say, far better. Apple Carplay, brilliant system. You know, it's just so easy to use. All you do, USB in there, your charging lead, plug in, here we go, it's come up, Apple CarPlay. There you go, Apple CarPlay. You don't need to touch your phone again. It's just simple. It's just anything you want to do. Use the voice activation here, hold it for a couple of seconds. Shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
You can play a specific tune, or you can shuffle music, but here we go. Play Sweet But Psycho.
Sweet But Psycho by Ava Max now playing.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho.
Absolutely brilliant. You want to send a text? Text Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Range Rover Evoque, it's brilliant.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Range Rover Evoque, it's brilliant. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now, you see, phone's just got a message. It's got a message on the screen. Now, again, you're driving along, you don't want to touch your phone. So, read texts.
Barrie said, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Range Rover Evoque, it's brilliant. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
You want to go somewhere. Again, voice activation or set your sat nav. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You'll see there's go, but you don't have to touch it. It will just do it automatically.
Starting route to Manchester Airport. Head south east on Blackburn Road, then turn right onto Gregson Lane.
You're on your way, you fancy a coffee, you still want to go to Manchester Airport, however, take me to Starbucks.
One possibility I see is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 7 minutes to your route. Does that one sound good?
Yes.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
So you go to Starbucks and then get your drink and carry on to Manchester Airport. And let's just say, just turn that, just knock that in a bit. You can see we go all the way to Manchester Airport there. So, as I say, fantastic system. Just mirrors everything, well, everything that you can actually use on Apple CarPlay on your phone. More and more stuff coming every day. Is there anything I forgot? You've got WhatsApp, you can Audible, all your audio books. Just carry on listening to that.
It's all make-believe.
There you go. Back to the actual WhatsApp, Spotify. Played Spotify music, Amazon music, just everything. Great system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.